Artie McYarty, here with another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Today, we're planting some azaleas out in the front landscape, right by the main stage. Yeah, that's right. Just got done last weekend pulling out 15 boxwood shrubs in that small space, if you can believe it. You can only imagine after a couple years how hard that was on the body. All I'm doing right now is spacing them apart as evenly as possible, anywhere from 1.5 to 2 feet from the other shrubs and the other bushes. And as you can see, I'm going from 15 shrubs that I had in that space down to 3. The one in the middle there, that's already been planted last weekend, and I just got 2 more right now. And then there's one way by those decor owls by the brick column. So I got a few different types of azaleas. The one that's by the brick column over there is a pygmy or a dwarf. It only goes about 2 to 3 feet in diameter and height, tops out at. It's called Azalea Gumpo, Gumpo. That particular one gets white flowers. There's also ones like it that get pinkish reddish flowers. So the 2 that I'm planting right now are Azalea's Autumn Sunset. Autumn Sunset. These ones are larger, folks. These ones go about 3 to 4 feet. Maybe they'll top out around like 4.5 feet, again in height and diameter. So they'll fill in this landscape. As you can see, I got 3 of them right there, okay? 3 of them right there. I'm planting the last 2 today. And that's plenty to fill in that space. I like to see some of the mulch, the wood chips, some air, some space in between my shrubberies, you know? When I'm saying we had 15, I mean, it was just gnarly, okay? I feel so liberated after taking out those 15 boxwoods, let me tell you what. And now, not only do I have some nice evergreen shrubberies, but every so often I'll get flowers. Do you understand that the Encore brand blossoms flowers on these azaleas 3 seasons out of the year? The spring, summer, and fall? That's just unprecedented. Everyone says they like a little color pop. Well, here you go. You got the greens, you got the evergreens, no leaves flying around everywhere, right? And then every so often you got some color pop. I'm going to have some reds, I'm going to have some pinks, I'm going to have some whites, I'm going to have some fun. The other benefits of azaleas is that not only they are evergreen, but they survive through frosts, through the winters, right? I don't have to worry about these things getting fried up come the next spring and they're just sticks. Alright, just a few pro tips. Just like a lot of shrubberies and trees, dig that hole twice the size of the bowl, right? Oh, the bulb. Sorry, not the bowl, the bulb. Make sure if you removed shrubs like I did before, try to get all the root bulbs out and the roots, the residual roots. That was a big challenge I had. There's just roots for days. Water it really well. Saturate it well in there. Okay? But don't water it so much so that it's just flooding out the roots. Make sure the base of the root bulb, okay, of the azalea is slightly higher than the soil, than the rest of the landscape, so it has room to breathe. The first week or so, water them every day. I'm getting lucky because this week it's just going to be raining every day, so I'm good in that regard. But use your judgment. Last but not least, for the pro tips, make damn sure you got yourself a spray bottle of neem oil. These suckers like to get attacked by lace bugs, okay? So spray the crap out of them. After the first week or so, spray the crap out of them with neem oil. And you will be good to go, daddy-o. And then, yeah, just top it off with some good old garden soil, in-ground purpose, general purpose. And that will help feed a lot of nutrients initially, right? When these things try to go into shock when you just put them into the ground from the pot. And that should be more than enough. Then, not now, But when the next season comes around, start fertilizing them about 2 to 3 seasons out of the year, right? Spring, summer, fall. Get yourself some Azalea Fertilizer. Alrighty, another hard day's worth of work complete. Time to water him in. Just step back, take a look at your landscape, transformation, and just enjoy.
Cause no one makes me feel the way you do.